Hello, Americans, and other friends and subscribers around the world. It's sunglasses today, man. It's a little, the sun ain't out, man. Trust me on that one. But it, dang snowblind, getting ready to go out. This is actually later than yesterday's, later in the afternoon of yesterday's, it's a name, right? But yesterday's video. A couple of hours after I ended that one, that was in the morning before, I don't know, probably around, I don't know, 9 or 10. So this is later in the afternoon. It's about 2 o'clock. Headed in to take some packages in, and gotta keep the ball rolling, man, and pick up a couple of little things and maybe Miss Kitty a snack, but she's not going because she's still not feeling. Feels better than she did yesterday, but not completely up to par. And we got big plans for the weekend, man, or for the next coming days. Hopefully, maybe depends on what the weather decides gonna do. But don't know if we're gonna get it to go fishing, but we're talking about it. Definitely gonna go look for some do a little hiking, man. Want to do some hiking and antler shed hunting. You know, I'm just always looking treasures, man. We're always treasure hunting. But right now I'm going to run out this deal. I think what I'm going to do is turn the camera off. I can't really film because it'll bounce right off the deal. You have to get pretty, basically I shoot out of my parking spot and moving pretty dang good, and I just don't let up and just kind of rock and roll on down to drive. And I don't really have nothing to hook that camera to, so might just set it there, kind of film and see what happens. It's slushy as all get it because it turned after that. Like I said, this is later in the day. The winter snow warning went away, and right now it's not doing nothing, man. But it was, it turned to rain, man, and just dumping rain. So now it's just a slushy mess. So we're gonna head on out of here, and I'm running to town. I'll probably give you a little view. We're going to head into Council, Idaho is where I'm headed to the post office. Testing out this crazy little, it's one of these, man, and I showed this thing is so awesome, dude. It's like a little snakeskin tripod. That's what this camera said. I got 2 of them. I'll see how it rides there. Okay, so, hey, here we go. Woohoo! Little 2-wheel drive. 4-wheel drives. Yeah, the VANS are awesome. The kids are test driving one right now. Little 2002. Dude made it, no problem. Shazam! Poof! Right through the. All right, man. Yoda, in and out like nothing, man. I'll tell you what, this van. If you're looking to buy a van, get a Toyota Sienna van, man. Toyota has got, man, the best, man. The most dependability. These things are amazing. You know, yeah, that we've had the one issue when we had, 6-foot drifts, man. Obviously, you're going to have some issues. 2-wheel drive, front-wheel drive. Man, this thing is amazing. I'm actually going to put some more aggressive tires on it for next season. And dude, I just love this van. And I've had, you know, I still got the lady, of course. But this, what the heck was I going to say? Oh, I don't even know. Can't remember the count of, I think, something like that. A lot. We've had a lot of vans over the years of all vehicles, dude. And I'll tell you what, this Yoda is... Man, I love my classic. I love the lady, man. She's a classic beauty, but for comfort, dependability, everything, Yoda's got it, man. So, anyway, we got our t-shirts, got our t-shirts. Got Miss Kitty a little treat because she's sicky. And we'll finish this off inside. So, all right. Miss Kitty open up these shirts. Miss Kitty ain't all that impressed that I got this camera pointing at her. Thanks a lot, guys. But I wanted her to open... This was her design. Both of us, we come up with ideas, but she designed it.
No.
Yeah, you sure? She's feeling... I knew when the smoke didn't help her out because she was already having the congestion thing. You're feeling better, Miss Kitty?
Yes, I am.
Just trying to get all better, man, so we can take you guys out and go shed hunting. Ooh. Oh, I like the black and white.
Yeah, me too. Let me put that one up.
Oh, yeah, and I think the height on it's good. There it is. Now get, Kai. Yeah. Look at that.
Is that one an extra large?
Yeah, and it's got that crazy. It's almost got like a glue smell with it, Brandon. It is.
Okay, cool.
What's yours?
Perfect.
Yours is your size?
Yep.
Very good. Look at that. That's it, man.
Nice.
I think that might be my new favorite shirt.
It still looks low.
It does. It's crazy. We're having a problem of getting, you know, up here. We think that it wants to be higher, but
I don't know.
We'll see when I get it on, man. I think this for my beard and everything's perfect. It doesn't seem as low. But this one, man, so far, I think this is my favorite shirt yet.
That's cool. Huh?
Love it. So, that's it, man. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And good Lord willing, and the creeks don't come here, and the creeks don't rise.
We will be back again tomorrow.
See ya.